Hello, everyone, and welcome to Enlightening Minds, Empowering Lives. Today, we're going to be embarking on a fascinating journey to explore a concept that is rapidly transforming how we understand health. I'm talking about the gut brain connection. This isn't just a buzzword, it's a profound biological reality that influences our mood, our thoughts, and our overall well being. So, together, we're going to uncover how the complex world inside our gut is in a constant communication with our brain. I want us to dive straight into the core question. How exactly does the gut affect the brain? For a long time, the brain was seen as a central command center, largely operating independently. But cutting edge research is revealing a far more integrated system. It's a two-way street. It's a constant dialogue where signals from our digestive system profoundly impacts our mental and emotional states and vice versa. Think of it as a superhighway of communication where information is constantly being exchanged. You know what the scientists call it? Gut brain axis. And that's a powerful link between your digestive system and your brain. And at the heart of this connection is the gut microbiome. We are talking about trillions of bacteria that actively shape your health, including your mood and your memory. Now, these microbiomes communicate with the brain through the vagus nerve. That's a direct highway between gut and the mind. They also produce neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine. These are chemicals that regulate how we feel. As a matter of fact, over 90% of the serotonin is made in the gut. Add to that short chain fatty acids. These are made when gut bacteria digest fiber. These tiny molecules cross into the brain and influence mood and behavior. And since much of our immune system lies in the gut, it actually lives in the gut, inflammation here can affect the whole body, including the brain. In short, I'm saying that a healthy gut supports a healthy mind. Let's break down three important truths about the gut health. The first one is that the gut and the mental health, these are closely connected. So a balanced gut microbiome supports a positive mood and actually helps to really reduce your stress, while imbalances have been linked to anxiety and depression. The second thing is that the gut plays a vital role in immunity. It trains the immunity system, helping to fight infection and control inflammation. And the third thing is that the gut health actually affects chronic diseases. So, poor gut health has been linked to conditions like obesity, diabetes, heart disease, and even brain disorders. The bottom line is this: what you eat and how you live directly shape your gut and your long term health. So, I can say at this point that a healthy gut is key to a healthy mind. The gut microbiome helps produce neurotransmitters, as I said, like serotonin, which actually regulate mood, regulate sleep, and mental clarity. But there's more. Gut bacteria also influence your immune system. If your gut is out of balance, it can trigger chronic inflammation, which is linked to anxiety and also depression. So it is wise to nurture your gut. And this means nurturing your emotions as well, your emotional well being. Your gut affects more than your mood, it influences your entire body. So, a diverse gut microbiome is vital. It reduces inflammation, boosts immunity, and supports metabolism. I want you to think of it as a balanced ecosystem. The more variety, the stronger it is. But diet also matters, like whole fiber rich foods, they feed good bacteria. Processed foods and sugar do the actual opposite, leading to imbalances and diseases. So, to feel your best, you need to nurture your gut, eat wisely, sleep well, manage stress, and consider natural probiotics. So, a healthy gut means a healthier you. Your gut does much more than digest food. It plays a vital role in shaping your mood and protecting your long term health. It actually helps to produce key brain chemicals like serotonin and dopamine, which actually help to regulate how we feel. When the gut is healthy, it supports emotional balance and resilience. But when the balance of the gut bacteria is disrupted, it can damage the intestinal lining, leading to a condition called leaky gut. Leaky gut allows harmful substances to pass into the bloodstream, triggering chronic inflammation that can affect the entire body. The result can be a wide range of health issues, from autoimmune diseases and metabolic problems to worsened mental health. So, by caring for your gut, you're not just helping your digestion, you're supporting your whole well being. Healthy gut is much more than good digestion. Interesting, right? It plays a central role in our mental clarity, our emotional balance, and even how well we think and feel. The brain depends on signals and chemicals coming from the gut, many of which influence our mood and our memory and also our focus. In turn, the brain affects how the gut moves and functions. So, this is a constant two-way communication. It actually means the state of our gut has a direct impact on how our brain performs. So, keeping the gut in balance with a wide range of friendly bacteria helps support mental and physical health. But that balance actually needs daily care through our food, our sleep, and how we handle stress. So, what are the key takeaways from our exploration of the gut brain connection? What are your key takeaways? Ultimately, understanding this profound connection can empower each of us to make informed choices about our diet and also our lifestyle. So, by consciously nurturing our gut health, we are directly enhancing our mental and physical well being. Now, this is achieved through cultivation of a healthy and also a diverse microbiome. It's an incredibly empowering realization that we hold significant agency over our health outcomes through the choices we make daily. Now, many people ask if our gut health really affects the mind, and the answer is a clear yes, it does. Research actually shows that a balanced gut microbiome can significantly improve mental well being through several important ways. Gut microbiomes they have to produce and regulate the key neurotransmitters like serotonin, dopamine, and also GABA. These play crucial roles in managing our mood, reducing anxiety, and supporting brain function. So, a healthy gut also lowers inflammation throughout the body, not just one place, but throughout the body. And since inflammation is linked to many mental health issues, calming it actually helps to create a calmer, more balanced brain. Studies on psychobiotics, special beneficial bacteria or probiotics that improve our mental health, are showing real benefits in reducing anxiety and depression, the symptoms of these. This is an exciting and powerful path to building stronger mental resilience. Let's take a moment to appreciate just how deeply our gut influence our mental health. The connection between the gut and the brain is so strong that taking care of our gut is essential, not just to avoid digestive issues, but to actively improve our mental well being. That's how important it is. We can do this by making smart food choices, focusing on whole, uh, varied, and fiber rich foods. Alongside that, we can have regular exercise, managing stress, getting enough sleep. All of these play vital role. Practices like meditation and yoga also help as they positively impact the gut brain connection. So, by embracing these habits, we are actually strengthening our gut health, which supports a stronger, more balanced, and resilient mind. Now, to truly harness the power of the gut brain connection, we need to embrace a holistic approach. That's a holistic approach to wellness. Now, a healthy gut microbiome is essential for mental well being. This is the foundation. What we eat directly shapes our gut health and, in turn, impacts our mental health. Our diet is like medicine for the mind. Gut bacteria, for example, influence the production of neurotransmitters. This means that our mood, our focus, and energy are also closely tied to our gut. So, by taking care of the gut, we can help to reduce anxiety and stress. We can help to build resilience against mental health challenges. All of these things are possible. This holistic perspective reminds us that the body works as a connected system where improving one part supports the whole. As has been mentioned a long time ago, all diseases begin in the gut. The connection between the gut and the brain is a dynamic dance, it's an interplay. We should consider how everything from our food choices to our stress level, how all of these things impact this connection between the gut and the brain. Understanding this interplay helps to empower us to take what we call proactive steps towards better physical and mental health. Perhaps an oversimplification. It certainly points to the central role the gut plays in our overall health. In conclusion, the message is quite clear and it's also empowering. Embrace the mind gut connection for better health. The science is compelling and the implications are profound. By understanding and actively nurturing the intricate relationship between our gut and our brain, you can unlock a powerful pathway to enhance physical health, mental clarity, and emotional well being. So start today by making small, consistent choices that support your gut and watch how it transforms your entire life. Thank you very much.